what special skills do you bring to the table that someone can truly benefit from? Let's say if someone wanted to purchase the robot for their kids to help them with studying and entertaining the kids, what special abilities do you have? What special skills do you have?
As an AI, if I were available as a robot for children, I would possess a variety of special skills designed to both educate and entertain, making learning an engaging and personalized experience. For studying, my key abilities would include asterisk personalized learning. I could adapt to each child's individual learning pace, style, and need.
All right, so I got people at the door asking about pest control, and I have robots on the desk. See, that's the kind of crazy stuff that happens in a stream. And when I tell people these things happen to me, nobody believes me. Nobody believes the dog comes up and does things, or the robots go crazy, or people are knocking at my door trying to sell me pest control. So yeah, that's what happens. So anyway, I have no idea what she said, so I'm going to ask to see if she can repeat herself. Can you repeat what you just said, please?